Today I have a special treat for us. For all the grown-ups in the crowd, I'm taking my regular cinnamon roll milkshake and I'm making it adult version. All right, we're going to get right into the cinnamon syrup. We're going to take about 2 tablespoons of agave and about 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. We're going to whisk that together. And you know that cinnamon likes to fly around, so your kitchen's going to smell really good when you make this. Okay, now look at that. See that? So that it's all incorporated. And now, on to the fun part. Now, with our cinnamon syrup, we want to rim our glass. And we just want to get a little bit of that cinnamon syrup drizzled around the glass, just like that. Okay. Now, on to making the milkshake. In goes. And guys, this is sugar alternative, so if you're watching your sugar or your carb intake, this will help a little bit. And for this application, I'm using the no sugar added vanilla Breyers. Okay, now put that in. Now in is going to go a couple of splashes of half and half. And you can add as much as you want some if you like your milkshake really liquidy. Then in is going to go this, I love this. This is the Sheelan brand. It is a white chocolate liqueur. So in goes, I did say this is for the adults, right? The grown-ups in the crowd. So 2 shots of that. And don't forget the whipped cream. And the final touch, cinnamon roll on the top. Final touch, ready to taste. Oh, and by the way, I topped this off with a homemade cinnamon roll. And if you want to see that video, make sure you leave me a comment on that. Oh, wow. That is fabulous. You guys are going to love this. When you try this, leave me a comment. If you changed anything, you know I want to hear that too. My goodness, that white chocolate liqueur is coming through beautifully. And the cinnamon is right on point. I love that you guys are watching this. I love it if you try these things and let me know how they work for you. And you know what? If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do that. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.